Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to do the traditional knit stitch. Now the difference between the traditional knit stitch and the E-wrap is how tight it makes. This right here is about 20 rows altogether. Here to here is, well no, here to here is like 15, so yeah, just from here to here would be like 20 rows. So it's a lot tighter, so there are some times where you'll want to use this stitch as opposed to this stitch. And it's one of those stitches that there's a lot of confusion about, because a lot of patterns will tell you to do the knit stitch and they are referring to the E-wrap, or they'll be referring to the they want you to do one or the other, and sometimes they don't really explain exactly which one they want you to do. Another name for the traditional knit stitch is actually the reverse purl, which is very, very self-explanatory, because your purl stitch, you come down from the top, you pull it up, take the loop off, put the new loop on. With this, we're actually doing it opposite. You're coming up from the bottom, we're pulling this down. You take the loop off, put the new loop on. I'll show you a few more times. It's very simple to do. Honestly, if I am using something that has a purl stitch in it, I will use the E-wrap instead of the traditional knit stitch, just because I get them. I will just force of habit. I do the purl stitch a lot more than I do this stitch, so I will do the wrong stitch in the wrong places. There you go. I'll show you a couple more. Which, if you notice that I skipped my end pegs, that is a technique you can do to help flat panels lay a little flatter. So see, I start to do this is coming back on the reverse, which I am a very, very strong-willed lefty. There we go. And of course you tighten it up. You want to watch your tension, make sure you're not tightening it, getting it too tight. And this, you would use your same cast-offs and everything like you normally would. It's just a tighter form of the knit stitch. And I guess this one is a little more accurate to the actual needle knit stitch. Okay, that's it really. Thank you for watching. I do hope this helps. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe.